Hey there YouTube, France Hopper here. It's Monday, March 29th, and today we're going to unbox some stuff from Amtrak. Because why not? All aboard. So, not gonna lie, most of you probably aren't gonna find this video terribly interesting, but for those of you who do like public transport like I do, I thought maybe, you know what, why not? Let's show you some stuff from Amtrak, because maybe you didn't know that they actually have an online store where you can buy some Amtrak merch. They do. It's run by Staples, but it is a thing, so if, like me, you decide that you want to kind of help Amtrak celebrate their 50th anniversary this year, well, they have some 50th anniversary merch that you can pick up. So one of the things that I decided to get was their 50th anniversary polo. Nice little embroidered logo there. And we also have an Amtrak Cascades pin in there, since that is the line that's primarily here in Portland, as well as a 50th anniversary Amtrak luggage tag, because if you do ride Amtrak, it's good to tag your luggage. But yeah, there you go. Short and simple. I do have a trip report coming up with Amtrak this weekend. I will be taking the Coast Starlight, so that's kind of the other reason I decided to pick this up. So look forward to that trip report. That's all I have for you today. Short and simple. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.